Source: Nick Sutrich, Android Central. What you need to know. Earlier this week, Google began rolling out a new integrated view for Gmail on the web to personal accounts. It looks like the search giant could soon release another new feature to make Gmail notifications even smarter. As reported by the folks over at 9to5Google, some Gmail users have started seeing a new option that allows them to pause notifications on their Android phones while actively using the desktop client. To enable the feature, however, users will have to allow their browser to detect if they're active or away. For now, though, it looks like Google is testing the feature with only a small number of users. Source: 9to5Google. Android 13 Preview 1. What's new? What's coming in the next version of Android? Check out our hands-on with the first Android 13 Tiramisu developer preview build. 0 seconds of 54 seconds, volume 0%. If you're among the lucky few users who have received the feature, you can enable it by clicking on Continue when the prompt shows up. Next, you'll see another prompt asking you to grant permission to know when you're actively using this device. While there's currently no option to turn off the feature, after you activate it, you can revoke the permission from Chrome settings. To revoke the permission, head over to Settings, Security and Privacy, Site. Settings, Additional Permissions, Sponsored Links. Bangladesh's agriculture is going from strength to strength. CNN with Made in Bangladesh. Since the feature doesn't appear to be rolling out widely just yet, there's no mention of it on Google's Gmail support page. While it is unclear exactly when a wider rollout will commence, it shouldn't take too long for it to become available for everyone. Better pictures through AI. Object Eraser on the Galaxy S22 can remove shadows and reflections. Samsung's Object Eraser is getting a big upgrade on the Galaxy S22 family, which ships with One UI 4.1. HBO to the max. These are the best movies on HBO Max right now. HBO Max has a variety of original films and fan-favorite movies streaming now for subscribers, including new releases from Warner Media. Here's a full rundown of the best movies on HBO Max this month. I Can't Hear You. Review: The Motorola Moto Buds SANC want to be heard but can't. The Motorola Moto Buds SANC were built to take on other options in the $150 price range. In spite of promising possibilities, the results revealed gaps that affect how good the whole package could have been if certain pieces were in place. WHO needs a wallet. Put your wallet away and pay with your Wear OS watch instead. Ready to start paying for your coffee with only your smartwatch? Here are all the Wear OS watches that support Google Pay.